Hello everyone, Namaste. In today's story session, Tale with a Twist, we are going to do a story of a woodcutter and his axe, or an honest woodcutter. Let's hear the story and see whether the woodcutter gets rewarded for his honesty or he becomes dishonest to take what he likes. Once upon a time, in a village, there lived a woodcutter. He used to cut wood to make a living and earn some money. One day, he was cutting wood near a river when the axe from his hand slipped and fell down in the river. Now the woodcutter was very sad. Woodcutter had only one axe and that axe also had fallen in the river. Woodcutter sat there near the tree and started crying. My axe has fallen in the river. From where will I get another axe? How will I cut wood? From where will I earn money to get food now? He was sitting and crying there when suddenly a fairy came out of the water. And the fairy asked, "What happened, woodcutter? Why you are crying?" Woodcutter said, "Who are you?" Fairy said, "I am the water fairy. I can help you. Tell me, what happened?" And the woodcutter said, "My axe has fallen in the river. Can you help me get my axe back?" Fairy said, "Sure, you wait here. I will just go and bring your axe back." The fairy went in the river and came out with an axe. Now it was a golden axe. The fairy said, "Here is your axe, woodcutter. Take your axe and be happy." Woodcutter said, "No, this is not my axe. This looks like a golden axe. This is not my axe. I cannot take this." Fairy said, "Okay, let me search again." The fairy again went in the river and took that axe back and came out with another axe and said, "I found your axe now. Now you can take this axe." And the woodcutter said, No, even this is not my axe. This looks like a silver axe. This is not my axe. I cannot take it." Fairy said, "Okay, let me search again." And the fairy again went down in the river and came back with an iron axe and said, "Is this your axe, dear woodcutter?" Woodcutter was very happy now. He said, Yes, this is only my axe." The fairy gave the axe to the woodcutter and said, "Just wait here and I will be back." And the fairy again took a dip in the river and came back again with a golden and a silver axe. And she told, "Dear woodcutter, I am very happy with your honesty. You did not accept what was not yours. So please take this golden and silver axe as a gift from my side." Woodcutter said, "I only need one axe to cut wood." Fairy said, "It's okay. You please keep it as a gift from my side." And the fairy gave the woodcutter all the 3 axes and went away. The woodcutter was very happy. He took the 3 axes and started walking back home. On the way, Woodcutter met one of his friends. The friend saw Woodcutter with 3 axes and he asked, "Dear friend, from where you got these 3 axes? And it seems it is a golden axe and you have a silver axe too. From where did you get that? How did you get the money to buy all these?" The woodcutter said, "No, no, no. One water fairy gave these as a gift to me." And he told the entire story to his friend. The friend nodded. So there is a water fairy. He told, "Okay, I am in a hurry. I will go and do some work." Woodcutter said bye and he took all the axes and he came back to his house. Now the woodcutter's friend immediately ran near the river, took an axe and sat there. He kicked the axe down in the river and sat near the tree and started crying. "Oh, I dropped my axe in the river. Someone please come and help me." He kept there sitting and crying and crying and crying. From the river, the water fairy came out and asked, "What happened, dear woodcutter? Why you are sitting and crying here?" And he said, "I was sitting and working here and my axe slipped and fell in the river. Can you please get that axe for me?" The fairy went and brought his axe out and asked, "Is this your axe, woodcutter?" "No, this is not my axe." He refused to take his own axe. The fairy said, "Okay, let me search again." And the fairy again went inside and brought a silver axe and asked, "Dear woodcutter, is this your axe?" He said, "No, this is not my axe. It looks like silver. My axe was shining golden axe." Fairy said, "Okay, I will search again." The fairy went inside the river again and came out with a golden axe and asked, "Woodcutter, is this your axe?" The woodcutter jumped with joy and said, "Yes, yes, thank you, dear. This is only my axe." The fairy said, "No, I know you are telling a lie. This is not your axe, and I know you threw your axe in the river. It did not slip and fall. So I am taking this axe back and I am not going to bring any axe for you." And the fairy took that axe and went back in the river. And that man started crying, "Please, please give me my axe back. At least return my axe." He kept sitting, crying and crying till evening, but the fairy did not come back. And he lost his own axe also in his greed. So do you do how this dishonest woodcutter did? Or do you behave like the honest woodcutter? Do you try to take the things which don't belong to you? If you find something in class or outside wherever you go lying which doesn't belong to you, do you just pick it and tell that it is yours? Or do you return it so that it can be given to whoever it belongs to. Do you tell a lie to take something which you like but it is someone else? No, we don't need to do that. If we try to take something which is not ours, we might lose which we already have. So we have to be honest, we have to be careful, and we don't need to lie to take something which doesn't belong to us. Yes,